Today we're going to be talking about how to get your extended warranty check from your car you just sold in your hands. We'll be right back. This is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you sold your car and you had an extended warranty on it to like say $125,000 and you sold it with under $125,000, I want you to know that you can actually get a prorated check back. And not many people know that, and the dealerships certainly do not want you to know that. So I luckily had a beautiful person who from Wolverine Toyota, her name is Jennifer, told me that you can cash out your extended warranty. And I had no idea. So the dealerships don't want you to know that because they want to cash in on the deal themselves so they can make an additional thousands and thousands of dollars on your extended warranty that you fully paid for, but you can get it back. So I have a check here. I sold my Toyota Prius 2013 and got this 2018 Prius. And I got a check here for $143. $143 check right here from Toyota themselves, Toyota Corporate. And they cashed out my 100,000 mile warranty, which only had 89,000 miles on it, and I got some money back, which is great. That'll go towards my next car payment, which is a home run. You're trading in the car, they don't want you to know that you could do that, so they could do it themselves. That's another greedy thing they like to do. And that's not cool. That should be a known fact. And I'm letting you guys know that you can. And that's a home run. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. As always, Joe Tech Tips likes to give you information and keep you guys in the know, of course. That is my job. So, take care and we'll see you next time.